Alright folks, welcome to the channel. We have a wee job on today. We're going to replace this with our new vent. It's just arrived today. Get this open. Oh my word. Just got this off eBay. Not the cleanest looking thing I've ever seen, but we'll give it a go. See how it works. So we're going to pop this piece out here first. Let's get a little plastic trim removal tool. Run it all the way around the edge. And that should be that out. And then you can replace it here like this. So you can see the little clips on the edge here, they bend down. Yeah, they're all intact, all four. Got this off eBay for, I think it was £14. And it sort of does both sides. That's your open and close on it there. Yeah, so you can see how the mechanism works. Fairly good. This is the right thing. Pop that down in. That's it. So yeah, you have your directionals, and then you can open and close it like that. Hopefully that's the right way around. That looks better. Okay, easy enough.